Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the National Drug Authority and drug registration process in Uganda. NDA is NDA. NDA of course was established in 1993 by National Drug Authority statute, but it became an act in 2000, in the 2000 edition, that is, it is now chapter 203 of the laws of Uganda. Currently, the act is being revised. What are the functions of NDA? Because under section 5 of the act, one is development and regulation of pharmacies and drugs in Uganda, approval of the national list of essential drugs, control the importation, exportation and sale of pharmaceuticals, control quality of drugs, promote and control local production of drugs, encourage research and development of herbal medicine. Of course, they all do this. Promote rational use of drugs. And of course, they advise the minister regarding the issues of drugs, the Minister of Health, and perform any other function. What are the departments of NDA? All this information is available on the NDA website. One is inspectorate and enforcement. We have product assessment and registration, product safety, the laboratory services, and the management support system, including human resource, ICT, finance, and quality management. Let me talk about the NDAMIS, because we are in the COVID era. However, as NDA, they saw the future earlier on when they went online and introduced this portal. So NDA now has a portal and they are dealing in paperless transactions. Actually, I don't think they were disturbed in this COVID-19 because they had already moved from paper to online. To renew a license, to apply for a license, drug registration, CGMP, import permits, export permit, all of those services can be done through NDAMIS system. And of course, it's more convenient, and of course, as the client is too convenient, we like it so much. So, let me talk about the registration of drugs. What does the Act say? Because under section 35 of the Act, it says that the Drug Authority scientifically examines any drug or device to ascertain efficacy, quality, and also keeps the register of drugs. So what does it mean? It means that for any product to be on the Ugandan market for human use, it has to first be approved by National Drug Authority to ensure it is of quality, because NDA protects the population of Uganda from harmful medicines. Any person who intends to manufacture, import, export must, prior to manufacture, import, export of any product, apply to the authority. Of course, after you pass through the registration process, you are given a certificate of registration, which is valid for 5 years. And of course, later on, you have to apply for product retention. What is the common technical document? Now, this is the document that you are supposed to submit as a company which intends to either register a product for Ugandan market. You have to submit it. You have to submit this common technical document. It's a set of specification for an application dossier for registration of medicine, or preparing application for marketing authorization of pharmaceutical products for human use in Uganda. You have to submit this document for approval to NDA, and then after you have been approved, then the product is allowed on the Ugandan market. It was developed by International Conference on Harmonization. I hope you know about this conference. It's a very good conference, very good organization. Make sure you follow it. And the CTD is an internationally agreed, well-structured format stipulating requirements that are to be submitted to the regulatory authority as an application for registration of pharmaceuticals for human use. Now, prior to CTD, all different companies, industries would submit their own format. And of course, this was tiresome because people had, the regulatory officers had to first understand this format before going through it. and after you had finished it, another one submits another one in different formats. So it was really tiresome until they came up with this format. So CTD is now mandatory for any product to be on the Ugandan market. However, some products, they have a bio waiver where they don't submit all the components of the CTD, but only part of the CTD. Now, ensure you read more about this bio waiver because it is very important. Now, what are the modules of the CTD? We have module 1 is administration information. Module 2 is a summary of the entire CTD. It has the quality overall summary, non-clinical overview, non-clinical summary, clinical view, all that. It's a summary of the other modules. Because module 3 or part 3 is the quality of a drug. Module 4 is the non-quality study reports, and module 5 are the clinical study reports. So what are the benefits of the CTD? It makes reviewing of each application more easier, improved product handling and archiving. Self-assessment is easy, saves time, appropriate format for data, easy to understand, easy to provide feedback on any missing information. And however, limitations of a CTD, it is not one document. There are very many documents. So we have to, there are very many documents. That's why there is limitation. And some countries may have a different first module. So you have to understand before applying for registration. For registration in those countries, you have to first understand their module. Our module is the one of NDA. It's available on the website. You can read further and then you get more information, especially on the bio waiver and details of the common technical document. Those are the other presentations which we have in this registration of drugs. You can go through them and maybe watch them. Thank you for listening and thank you for watching the presentation. I remain Mosugwa Wilson. I started this company, M Farmer Training Solutions, to just deliver farmer training materials to you. You can get us on the email available on the screen. Also, you can find us on WhatsApp through that number. Thank you very much.